Hi, this is DIY Manual. Today we are going to calibrate my pH meter. This is a pH meter that I purchased from Amazon. I believe it's like about $12–15. I had this for a year, so now it's time to calibrate it again. It's the beginning of the full season, and I want to have a good pH meter to start with. So to calibrate this meter, you're gonna need to use the buffer powders. So first, you're gonna need a distilled water. So you need to fill this cup with 250 ml of water. So this is the pH 6.86 buffer solution. Let me open this 9.18 buffer solution. So let me mix each one and make sure that the buffer solution is completely dissolved into the water. So to calibrate this, we'll start with a 6.86 solution. So turn it on. Okay. So what you want to do is you put it here into the water and stir it gently and wait until the number stabilizes. Once the number stabilizes, click on the calibrate button for 2 seconds and the meter should automatically recognize the 6.86. So let's do it. Okay, so let's press calibrate. Okay, so then you want to wipe your pH meter, wash it. Now let's try it on the 4.01. Same thing, stir it and wait until it stabilizes. Then you want to press calibrate. Okay, so let's wash it again. And then do the same thing at 9.18. Okay, it's pretty close, 9.03. Okay, so now to test it, all you have to do is just dip it into any of the solution. It should get the right one. So let's try 6.86. So that's how you calibrate your pH meter.